Hi, it's Miss Groats, and this week I'm going to go over how we are going to complete our assignments. So, in case you don't know where to find everything, if you click right here where it says upcoming, and it will let you click on the assignments that are due this week. It will show you all the documents if you can't find it on the main page. And then over here, I'm going to scroll down. So I need to read through this first. First thing I have to do is watch this video. It's going to get added. It should be somewhere over here. Second thing is that I'm going to complete lesson 2.3. And it says there's a note here to hand it in only after I finish 2.3, 2.6, and 2.7. Lesson 2.6 is up next. These are both on Google Docs. The same note again, make sure that I finish 2.3, 2.6, and 2.7 before I hand in. And then, oh, look at that. 2.7 is extra credit this week. Great. So if I'm stuck on 2.7 because there's a feature that really is only able to be done on a computer, I know it's really challenging to do on a phone. This is an extra credit assignment, so rest at ease. If you struggled completing some work before this, or there was like any confusion about anything, this will just go ahead and boost your grade in any sense. Right, so let's see, when we're done, we're going to hand in these lessons after we finish all of them by Friday, May 8th. All right, that sounds good. So office hours are from 10 to 11 a.m. and also from 2 to 3 p.m. from Tuesday to Friday. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to click on all of these just to open them up and see what I have going on. All right, for this Earth-Changing Climate, our goal for this lesson for 2.3 is that KIPsters will be able to use a digital model to show how carbon dioxide or methane affect the amount of energy entering and exiting the Earth system. All right, I'm going to go over to 2.6. My objective here is that KIPsters will gather evidence on how carbon dioxide and methane impact energy that is entering and exiting the Earth system to explain how these gases affect the global average temperature. In 2.7, we're going to be able to explain what climate change is by creating a visual model and constructing an explanation for the public. So I just want to go over these real quick. For 2.3, I went back to the first one. You're going to be opening up this article here. When you click on it, it will open up a link, and it's going to take you here. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of this. It's about path changes on Earth. You read this before. This should be really familiar. We're going to do a second read on it. Then we're also going to be using Earth's modeling tool. This should be very familiar again. We've used this before. I'm going to log in with Amplify, and I just want to show how to get there in this video. All right, great. So I clicked on that link, and this is 2.3, Earth-Changing Climate. And I'm going to scroll down. All right, cool. So I went over this last time. When you click on this right here, it takes a minute to load too, sometimes. All right, so you're going to be completing this model according to the directions that you get. Don't worry about the screenshot. I want you to skip this. I'll say that again in the video, but we're just going to be filling in our explanation. Okay, so it's 2.3. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom so we can see what it looks like. You're going to be answering some questions about the reading, and then when you're done, you're answering a question about what your model shows on here. So it's asking you to do something about the model. I'm going to be grading from here. So don't worry about the stuff where it says hand-on amplify. Okay, 2.6, let's see. We're going to be opening up the simulation. Let me open that up to show what that looks like. All right, and then once again, it takes a minute to load. All right, so I'm using the sim for 2.6. And there are directions for what I do if that doesn't work. Okay, and then I'm going to go through and I'm going to run these tests. The video will tell you exactly what to do. You're going to be clicking on these videos in the lessons. Every lesson has these videos embedded, and they're going to get you started and tell you what to do.
All right, welcome back.
So you'll have guidance as you go through these. Okay, and then our last one is sorry, let me go to the bottom of this. All right, cool. Our last question on here is number 7. But what we have here is a quizzes. This is going to be a review. This is really to help you understand where you stand on your assessment with this information. So this is going to let you know what you're doing. I would do number 7, do the quizzes, and then go back to number 7. That's going to be really helpful. And then on this one, 2.7, this is extra credit. It's extra credit because it's going to ask you to do something, a feature that we haven't done before. And if it's not working for you, I just want you to not worry about it. Yeah, like I said, like if the technology is not working, don't sweat it. It's totally fine. Just feel free to skip over 2.7 if the technology for if you watch video 1 and video 2 and you can't do it on this, just please skip 2.7 because it's okay. It's extra credit. All right, that's all I have for this week. My office hours you can get to by clicking on this link right here at this one of these times. All right, thank you. Have a great week. Bye.